In a bustling city park, an unsuspecting bystander decided to take a leisurely stroll past a charming artificial waterfall. Unbeknownst to them, a mischievous prankster had hidden a high-pressure water hose behind the rocks. As the target neared the waterfall, the prankster activated the hose, creating an unexpected deluge of water that hilariously drenched the unsuspecting stroller. The uproarious laughter from nearby park-goers filled the air as the now-soaked individual couldn't help but join in with a smile. This hilarious and spontaneous moment brought immense joy to everyone who witnessed the perfect blend of nature's beauty and a clever prank.